Looking for a pecan pie recipe without corn syrup? If so, this recipe has a perfect balance between sweetness, flavor, and texture. If you want the recipe, here it is. After melting 6 tablespoons of butter, add 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1½ cups of chopped pecans, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Then stir to combine. Pour into an unbaked pie shell and start by baking at 350 uncovered for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, turn down the oven to 325, cover loosely with foil and bake for 25 more minutes. Then turn it down to 300 and bake covered 15 more minutes. Although the baking process is a bit involved, it's worth it to get the perfect texture. The top is perfectly toasted and the center is set just enough. If you feel like your pecan pie is done on the top but underbaked and too soft in the middle, give my recipe a try. However, since the baking time is a bit longer than normal, don't make the same mistake that I did and be sure to not roll the pie crust too thinly in certain places. If it's too thin, it'll be hard to cut. The rest of the pie was not this hard to cut. This pie was phenomenal. What I really like about this pie is the contrast in texture. The top is toasted and crunchy without being hard, and the bottom is soft and sweet without being underbaked. Together with the crispy, buttery crust, this pie is pure perfection. Also, by replacing the corn syrup with a lesser amount of brown sugar, this recipe not only cuts back on the sweetness, but also adds flavor. If you're looking for the ultimate pecan pie recipe, this is it. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. For a written version of this and other recipes, don't forget to visit my website, parnellthechef.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.